How's it going? My name is Dani Waite and I'm one of the founders of the Leaders Park City, and I'm here with Viking Bags today to talk about the Viking large tactical motorcycle backpack that I took up to Sturgis with me. Let's go check it out. This bag comes with 4 different storage compartments to store all of your things. It's got 2 water bottle sleeves on either side of the pack. One of my favorite things about this pack is in the large pouch. Not only does it come with a laptop sleeve to protect your laptop, but it also comes with a camelback port where you can slide your camelback hose through. And I've attached mine with a piece of metal and a magnet, but this way I can stay hydrated along on the ride. Once you get to your destination, what I find is super rad are that these straps come right out of this sleeve and they clip in so that you can just slip your bag right off of the Sissy bar and head on in. Overall, really loved this bag. It came with me on the 2,000-mile round trip journey to Sturgis. The hardest thing about this trip was remembering where I put all of my things because there's so much storage in this bag. But thanks for listening, you guys. Be safe out there.